Hello guys, this is the third session of Java 8 features. So in last session, we discussed about everything about a functional interface. Everything about a functional interface. Okay. So in this session, I'm going to cover one example with multi-threading environment, one with respect to collections. Okay. So that I'm going to explain. Just before going to this, I want to explain one more example about a functional interface. So I will create here one file that is a test2.java. Test2.java. Okay. This is my main method. Okay. Do you know? Okay. Just I will create here one method or one interface that is the interface test interface interrupt. I think. Okay. Interface interrupt. I will create here one method that is a public int square it int n int n return n into n. Okay, sorry, this is not. This is a abstract method I am writing in interface. Okay, so how to implement or how to provide this method body? How to provide the body? Just write here one class that is a class. I will take a demo implements interrupt. Okay, then override this method public int square it. Just override this method int n. Just put here one annotation that is override. Okay, it is returning something, so that's why I need to provide here return keyword. Yes or no? So return n into n. Okay. After this, we need to create an object of a demo class. We need to create an object of a demo class. Demo d equal to new demo. Say d dot. What is the name of my method? Square it. Okay. D dot square it. Just pass here for. See here output. Run Java. Okay. I want to take this into a system.out.println. Okay. Just remember guys. Here run Java. 16 output. We are getting here 16 output. How to convert these lines of code into a lambda expression that we already discussed. So tell me guys, parent can hold child object or not? Parent reference can hold child object or not? Just simply provide this reference here. F and tell me how to convert function into an interface. Function name, what is the function name? Square it, remove that function name, remove return type, remove modifier also. Then only remaining is this part. Just put this part here, just int n, simply here body, here is a return keyword, return n into n. This much code we converted into these lines only. This line only. Okay. This is the only one statement is available. So that's why we need to, or we can remove these curly braces also. Okay. Curly braces are not there. That's why return keyword is also not there. Okay. Then based on context, then compiler will automatically identify the type of this variable. Identify the type of this variable. Okay, just remove type. it is contain only one parameter, so remove the parenthesis also, remove parenthesis also, yes or no? Okay, then how to call this method? Just square it. I need to write here square root, sorry, square root, not square of 5 is, just write here square it of 5. Okay, f dot. Okay, just see guys, we are getting correct output or not. We will get correct output or not, that I want to show you. See, oh, exception, int interrupt here. We should not get exception. We should not get exception. I think there is something mistake. Okay, I will give another name. Interrupt one. Interrupt one. Okay. Then check. In previous file, there is already interrupt file is available. That's why I think. See, look at square of 5 is a 25. Square of 5 is a 25. I want to run again to show you. Check. Check guys. Yes, 25. Okay. So after this, I want to explain another example in a multi-threading environment. So test 3.java. Okay. This is my main method. How to achieve a multi-threading? With the help of two approaches. One is the extending thread class and second one is the implementing runnable interface. Runnable is also functional interface. Remember this point guys. Runnable is a functional interface. It contains only one method, that is a run method. That is a one run method. Simply write here class my thread implements runnable. Okay. Just override the my thread one. Okay. I will write my thread two. Okay. Just my thread. Override the public void method. Public void run method. Just override this method. Just override. Put here one annotation, that is override. It is not mandatory, but it is a good programming practice. Okay. Just write here one for loop, that I want to show you some execution. That's why I plus plus. I will write here one child thread one. Okay. Just create object for my thread. T1 equal to my thread. Okay. Just pass this T1 to thread class. Just pass this. I will create a my thread T1 thread into a thread class. Just pass this object to this constructor. Okay. Thread 1 is created successful. How many threads are there? This is my one main thread. This is my one main thread. This is my thread 2. Yes or no? Means child thread. Yes or no? There are two threads are there. Okay. So how to start? T1 dot start. Just put and simply simply execute this code. Simply execute this code. I want to put here one message, that is main thread 1. Okay. Look at guys. Look at this example. Then you have a clear idea about multi-threading environment. Okay. Main thread, child thread, child thread, child thread, child thread. If I run again, look, main thread, child thread, child thread. If I run again, this output is not in our hand. So don't worry. If you are getting a different output, it is a depend on a JVM to JVM or machine to machine. It is a depend on a thread priority also. Okay. So what I wanted to say, just remember, my thread implements runnable interface. Runnable is a functional interface. Functional interface. So we can simply commit this code, or we can directly write here. How to write? Just look at guys, runnable or it is a functional interface. That's why we can write a lambda expression. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Are you understanding? Just put this code for int I equal to 1, I is less than 5, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay. System.out.println just put here one message, that is child thread 1. Okay. How to start? Just simply write r dot start. Sorry. Just write here one class, that is thread t1 equal to new thread. In thread class, just pass r object or reference variable and just start t1 dot start. Just write here t1 dot start. t1 dot start. t1 dot start. Okay. t1 dot start. System dot out dot println main thread. This is my main thread close. Okay. So are you understanding the importance of a lambda expression in Java? Are you understanding the importance of a functional interface and lambda expression in Java? Do you know guys how much important lambda expression and functional interface? Can I say Java 8 feature is a very important? Java 8 features are very important. Look at guys, 11 lines of code I replace with only a 2-3 lines. Are you understanding? This is a main thread close. Okay. Just look at guys, same output we will get. Yes. Main thread close, child thread. Okay. Okay, this is all about functional interface and lambda expression in a multi-threading environment. So how to write this we discuss. So it is a internally calling a run method only. And here we override run method. Behind the scene, only run method is executing. Just remember this point. Okay. I want to tell you one example, like in collection, about a collection. Okay. Just look at guys. This is a very important example. and I want to show you everything about this example. Okay, this is my main method. Okay, suppose I create here one array list, one array list, one array list. Okay, it's taking integer. It contains some integer values. Okay, al equal to new array list. Okay, so how to add elements? There is one add method is there. Just put some methods or put some elements like a 39 al dot add 20 al dot add 30 not assert. Like this, add some more elements like a 40 al dot add 32. Okay, this much element I added. Okay, how to print this element? Just write here al. Just write here al. Okay, look at guys. Thirty-nine, 20, 30, 40, 32. Whatever order I preserve, whatever element are written in the order like a 39, 20, 30, that order only I will get here. That order only I am getting here. That order only I am getting here. Can I say here insertion order is a preserve? Insertion order is a preserve or not? Yes or no, guys? Okay. So I want to tell something about how lambda expression and functional interface is important in a collections topic that I want to show you. So if I want to sort this element, if I want to sort this element in ascending or descending order, then there is a one method is there in collections class. Collections is a predefined class that is available in the java.util. Okay. So remember this point. I think collections is not java.util. Collections.sort method is there. In sort method, yes, in util class one. Okay. In sort method, it will take one. First argument is array list. First argument is array list. Second one, it will take one object that is a comparator object. Comparator object. Remember, guys. Remember, this is a very important point. java.util.comparator. Okay, we need to pass here one integer. It will take two objects. That's why integer. I can write here integer I1 comma integer I2. Okay, simply write here. Don't go like this. I will pass here. Simply I will try another method. Okay, just remember collections dot sort. Collections dot sort. Second, it will take comparator. Comparator class. I want to write here class my comparator. Implements. There is one interface is there comparator. It will take input as an integer. Okay, Just remember guys, there is one method is available. It is a compare method. That is a compare method. Remember guys, this is a compare method which is taking the input of two parameters, integer 1 and integer second. Okay. So I want to place some logic. So what is the logic? When this object is a less than this object, then it will return a minus 1. Okay. I want to show you. Suppose I1 is less than I2, then it will return -1. If I1 is less than I2, then it will return positive 1. Okay. If both are same, I1 is equal to I2, then definitely it will return 0. Remember this point, guys. This is about a compare method. That I want to override that logic. So how to write this logic? If I will pass here I1, I2. If I1 is less than I2, then definitely it will return -1. Else if I1 is greater than I2, then definitely it will return +1. Okay. Else it will return 0. Are you understanding, guys? I want to. Okay. Collections dot sort method. It will take one argument, that is AL. Okay. AL. Next, it will take my comparator object. So how to pass this object here? Just create here my comparator. Simply my obj equal to new my comparator. Okay. Just pass this object here. Look at, guys. Error is gone or not? Okay. Before sorting, I want to print this data. So I will write here before sorting one message, system.out.println before sorting. Okay. This is my after sorting. I want to print system.out.println after sorting. Okay. System.out.println, simply write AL. Okay. Check, guys. Check output. Okay. Before sorting 39, 20, 30. After sorting 20, 30, 32. We are getting ascending order or not? Are you understanding, guys? Are you really understanding or not? This is the concept of comparator. Okay. But I want to make some changes in this code. I want to make some changes. Okay. So how to convert this into a single line? Just write here return and ternary operator. Do you know ternary operator? Are you understanding? Do you know ternary operator? We covered in our Java series. Yes or no? I will simply write here I1 is less than I2. Then I want to write here minus 1. If I1 is not I1 is greater than I2, then definitely it will return, sorry, definitely it will return positive 1. Yes or no? If I1 and I2 is equal to, then it will return 0. Yes or no, guys? What happened here? I1 is a less than I2. It will return -1. Not, then +1. +1. Okay. Then I want to perform a nesting. How to perform a nesting? Simply write here. Something is wrong. Okay. I want to write again. See, look at. Return I1 is less than I2. Then definitely we will get output. -1. -1. If you are not getting output -1, then definitely we will get +1. +1. If these are not getting, then definitely I need to provide one example, or I need to provide one condition is I1 is equal to I2. Then definitely we are getting 0. Yes or no? Why it is not getting? Okay. Remove this point. Write a return. Sometimes I forget silly concept. I1, I2, then definitely we'll get -1. Okay. Not, then +1. Unreachable code. Unreachable. Okay. I want to provide here. Okay. Definitely I want to check one condition here. It's I1 is equal to I2. Then definitely I want some like 0. But I'm not getting. Okay. We will ask ChatGPT or Gemini. Simply convert this into a ternary operator. Gemini. Just go. I want this in ternary operator. Ternary operator. Okay. Just look at, guys. Just look at. Don't worry. Sometimes we forget some small concepts. in Java. Okay, so this is code. This is code. Okay, look at, this is my code. But why we are not getting here? Okay, we return here if else, that's why we are not getting. Okay, before also I write correct, but I did not get that much confidence. So sorry guys. Okay, we can write only one line. We can write only one line in compare. Okay. So my next question is, it is a my next question is, it is a functional interface. Yes or no? It is a functional interface. Then we can achieve with the help of a lambda expression. Yes or no? These all concept or these all lines we can comment and we can write with the help of a lambda expression. Yes or no? So how to write with lambda expression? How to write with lambda expression? Just just 1 minute, guys. Just a 1 minute. Okay. Look at this concept. So what is the name of my method? What is the name of my method? Just copy this method. Just copy this method. Just paste here. Just paste here. What is the rules for lambda expression? Just remove the name of method. Just remove the return type of method. Just remove the modifiers of method. Okay. It contains it contains two arguments, I1 and I2. Just place one symbol here. That is the lambda expression symbol. Okay. It it have or it has only one statement. It has only one statement. It has only one statement. That's why we can remove this curly braces also. We can remove this curly braces also. Okay. Just remove these curly braces. Okay. Based on a context, compiler will automatically judge the types. Yes or no? Just remove the data types also. Just remove the data types also. Okay. Then parent can hold the child object reference. Yes or no? So who is the parent? Who is the parent? Who is the parent for this? Who is the parent for this? This is the comparator. Comparator. Comparator C. So just comment this. Just remove this also. If there is no curly braces, then we can say, no need of a return keyword. Yes or no? Just remove this return keyword also. Just remove this return keyword also. Okay. Just look at, guys. So undefined is the operator greater than undefined. Okay, we are getting error here. Yeah, we are getting error here. The operator greater than is undefined for the argument types. Okay, just pass here integer. Look at, guys. It is correct or not? It is correct or not? I converted this much line. Into only a single line. Only a single line. Okay. Just look at the result. Just pass this object here. We are getting that results only or not. That's results only or not. See. 39, 20, 30, 40, 32, 20. If you want to in descending order, then just write this in reverse order. Just write this into reverse order. Check we are getting a descending order or not. Descending order or not. Yes. 40, 39, 32, 30. Yes. Descending order. Descending order. Okay. This is all about a comparator. Comparator is also one interface, that is a functional interface. It contains only one method, that is a compare method. It will return something. So that's why we need to return here, and how to implement this class and how to convert this much line into only a single line that I explained to you. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any doubt about a comparator and sorting, then please tell me. Then one more thing I want to explain. Just check here. Just write here. Suppose suppose I want to travel, or I want to traverse each element. I want to traverse each element. I want to traverse each element without a square bracket in output. Without square bracket in output. Let's check without square bracket. How to check or how to do that? Just write here al dot. There is a one stream function is there. Stream for each. It is taking a system dot out dot println. What is this? It is a method reference. It is a method reference. So look at guys. Yes, one by one we can access. One by one we can access. One by one we can access. Okay. So next I want some filter operation. I want some filter operation. Then how to do that? Just list here integer even number. I want to filter out a even number. Then al dot string. There is a one string function is filter which or what I want to filter. Just remember, for each element I modulus by equal to 0. So how to filter this? Al dot how to filter this? For each element. Okay. For each element I modulus equal to 0. Then collect in collections dot collectors. There is a one collectors dot collect to list. Okay. So what is this I? It is we need to place here one variable. Okay, I will copy this line. Just go. So what is the wrong? What is wrong in this line? Okay, sorry. I need to pass here one lambda expression. It is taking a lambda expression. Okay. So how to filter a even number that we discuss. Check guys. I need to print even number. System.out.println even. Okay. Just look at guys. 40, 32, 30, 20. These are my even numbers. These are my even numbers. Okay. I hope you understood. Now the time is 3:11 at night. Okay. I tired. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye everyone.